combination is a Kinsey 1300 pulled by a New Holland T9 615 tractor. Some key features on the 615 tractor include Smart Tracks option, which is new for 2012. The T9 615 features 535 rated engine horsepower. The track system connects directly to the axles to allow the tracks to be easily installed in place of tires. Tracks provide a larger footprint for less compaction and increased pulling capacity in varying soil conditions. Track systems can be purchased and applied to several tractors, spreading the investment over several years. Tracks are available for both the T9 615 and the T9 670 STD Ag models. The T9 series tractor on tires are available in two frame sizes, with a 36-inch wide row crop frame, which is up to 500 horsepower, and a 44-inch wide frame, which goes over to 600 horsepower.